student. Student, we are learning the chapter. Okay, we are discussing the chapter this force, work and energy. And till now what we have learned, let's quick recall of that, what we have learned. First, what is force we have learned. So what is force? Force is a push or pull. Now next we have learned the effect of force. What force do? Okay, what things force can do. So force can make a stationary object move. Force can stop a moving object. Force can change the direction of moving object. Force can change the shape of an object. And force can also change the speed of an object. Means a force can make an object move fastest, and the force can slow down the fast moving object. Okay, all things force can do. Then we have learned a kinds of force, different kinds of force. First is muscular force, where muscles are involved. Second is gravitational force, where earth is involved. Okay, attractive force by the earth, attractive pull by the earth is known as gravitational force. Then we have learned frictional force, which always oppose the motion. Then magnetic force, which is exerted by the magnet. Then electrostatic force. These all things we have learned. Okay. Now it's your turn. I am asking some question. Try to give answer. Okay. And loudly you have to give the answer. Okay. Ready? First of all, what attract iron object? What is the answer? What attracts iron objects? That is magnet. Very good. Okay. Magnet attracts iron object. Now my next question is, what is push or pull? Give a term, one term to a push or a pull. What is push or pull? Answer. Okay, force. Force is a push or pull. Okay, next question. Children, you are using which force to kick the football? Which kind of force you are using to kick a football? What force you are using? You are using your muscles now. So that is muscular force. Very good. Okay. So we are using muscular force to kick the ball. Now next question. Which force always opposes motion? Always resists the motion? Which force always opposes? Don't like motion only. Okay. Always opposes motion. Which force? That is frictional force. Frictional force always opposes motion. Now next, the force exerted by the earth is known as, the force exerted by the earth is known as, that is gravitational force. Okay. So now we are going to start. Okay. What is work? That only we will start today. Okay. We will know about the work. Now children, you can see here I am pushing this wall. Okay, I am pushing this wall very hard. Very hard I am pushing. I am sweating also. I am using my muscular force. Which force I am using? Muscular force to push the wall. So I am using some force here. So I have done some work here. Okay, my full energy I am using here to push the wall. Do I have done some work here? In the term of science, in commonly I will say yes, I have done work. Very hard work I have done. I am sweating also. Okay. But in term of science I have done no work. I have done no work. Okay. So what is the definition of the work? Work is said to be done only if the object change its position due to the force on it. Means if object will change the position, then only I have done the work. But this wall is standing there only. Slightly also I have not changed the position of this wall by pushing, by using my full energy, by using muscular force. Slightly also I can't able to change the position of this wall. So I have done no work. Okay. So the definition of the force is, work is said to be done only So for work, two things is required. First is force, okay, and second, it have to change its position. We have to change the position with the force, and force is used on it in that direction only, okay. That also you have to take care. In which direction it is changing the position, in that direction only force is, we have used the force, then only work is done. If I am pushing this table, okay, in this direction, by force I am applying, and this table has changed the position from there to here, in that direction only it is changing the position, then work is done here, okay. Work done. But if I am pushing the table this direction, but due to some force its position changed in this direction, then no work is done by this force. Work is done, but it done by another force, not by this force what we are pushing, okay. For example, if you have seen that coolie in the railway station, you used to see now, they are carrying the goods like this. All the things they are carrying like this now, head, and then they are moving. Means, if they are moving, means they are applying the force in a forward direction. He is going like this now. But you can see this, what the muscular force is used by the head, it is in another direction, and the movement change of position is in another direction. So no work is done over here, okay. So it is necessary that force what we are using, it should be in same direction of the change of position, then only work is done, okay. So what is the definition of work? Work is said to be done only if the object changes its position due to the force used on it in same direction. So for work it is very important that object change the position by the applied force, okay. What the force we have applied, by that object change the position. For example, when the table moves, okay, when the table moves and a person is pushing the table and the table moves, then work is said to be done, okay. But if a person is pushing one big stone, boulders, and it doesn't change the position, it doesn't move, then no work is done. How much energy you have spent over there, no matter, but by that force, that push, that object doesn't move at all, then no force is done over there, okay. Now children, why I am saying all time energy? What is energy? Next we will learn about the energy, okay. Force, you understand what is force? Force is a push or pull. What is work? Work is said to be done if the object changes its position due to the force. That is only work, okay. Change of position due to force is said to be work done. Now we will learn about what is energy. So energy is a capacity of doing work. What is energy? Energy is capacity to do the work. So we will, in next class we will learn about this energy only. There are varieties of energy in this world, okay. So we will learn about the different kinds of energy in our next class. So thank you children, have a nice day.